Okay, so it's time to delete a category that we don't need. So let's delete that. Okay, so back to my code editor. In the category class, I'm also gonna minimize this and create a new public method. So public function, and it's gonna be delete category. Okay, so it's gonna take in one parameter, which is gonna be the ID. Okay, so the query is gonna be equal to, it's gonna be a short query, so MySQLi underscore query. Then it's gonna take in the link, which is our connection, and the next one is gonna be delete from category, delete from category where ID is equal to the ID that is being passed in. Okay, so probably just add if query, then we're going to return true, else return false. False. Okay, so let's try that out. Back to the category.php where let's add the link. First of all, that should be in the category class. Okay, so where we're getting admin category, so let's add the link to that. Okay, so in the href is going to be category.php question mark, then delete underscore, I'll just say d underscore cat underscore id is equal to the ID. Okay, so let's try that out and see if we're able to get any ID. So I'm going to refresh, and let's try it out. So if I hover, I'm getting the ID. If you can see it down here, so where my mouse is hovering, so I'm gonna do that and look at it. So we're getting the IDs. Okay, so d underscore cat underscore ID. Okay, probably we should just do it, we should just write the query down there. So so if is set $ underscore get, I want to get d underscore cat underscore ID. So we're gonna run that query, so cat obj, and we're gonna delete category, and we're gonna pass in the ID $ underscore get d underscore cat underscore ID. So once that is done, we want to refresh the page. So header location colon category.php, since it's working in the same page, so category.php, and we add a message equal to deleted. Okay, so deleted underscore success. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, so let's try that out. So I'm gonna refresh, and as I said, I'm gonna delete the funny category for now. We'll add that later. Okay, so let's just test the functionality. So I'm gonna click on delete, and we should get the message delete equal to delete underscore success. Okay, so it has been deleted. So let's delete this one also, finance, just to test it out, and it has been deleted. Okay, so it's working. So I'll see you in the next lecture.